Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my little vlog. Today is July 23, 2026. The sun is shining bright and it feels like such a lovely day ahead. Let's start this morning together. Let's go! I head to the bathroom to freshen up, wash my face. Time to care for myself. First, help me feel ready for everything else I need to do. Now it's time to give the house some love. Then, I fix my bed right away. It feels so much better to start the day with everything neat and ready, don't you think? Now it's time to give the house some love. I swept the floor. And there we go. The house looks fresh and beautiful. And I feel calm and ready for the rest of the day. That's how I start my morning. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope your day is just wonderful. See you on my next vlog. For now,